gentlemen, American Airlines welcomes you with an early arrival into Charlotte. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the captain has signaled that it's safe to get up and move about our cabin, and our aircraft has reached the gate by turning off the seatbelt sign. Take a moment now, take a look around your seat and the seat back pockets for all of your personal items and your phones. Use caution when opening overhead bins. Items tend to shift during the flight. If you have connecting reservations today on U.S. Airways, American Airlines, or one of our One World partners, there will be television monitors throughout our terminals with updated gate and flight information, as well as a uniformed U.S. Airways representative inside that can best answer all of your airport-related questions. If you'd like to use your cell phones, feel free to do so at this time. For those passengers who have taken the opportunity and signed up for one of our American Airlines frequent flyer MasterCards, if you have completed your applications, feel free to hand them to the flight attendants as you exit today, and we'll be happy to give you your bonus miles. And if you'd like to grab an application for yourself or a friend, they'll be available by the door as you exit. Once again, if you're continuing on to St. Martin with us, please take all of your luggage and proceed to the boarding area for just a few minutes while the security sweep is done on the aircraft, and then we will be reboarding the airplane again. We hope you enjoyed the flight. It's great to have you on board. We look forward to seeing you again on a future New American flight.